Hello YouTube, welcome to a video. I am in my stream. I will have a link to this. It is twitch.tv /CrossMapSnipes. You can just search and find me right now. Hopefully doing an hour or a couple hours. I just got King Pro. I'm in the Super Bowl. So yeah, 3, 2, 1, and boom. Steve Smith, speed 93. He might be a backup because I literally just picked up some better cards. Well, all my bronze badges are sold. Woo! Plus I'm already 1/5 of the way already. I'll just give you guys a roster update. Remember, I did get scammed of my 95 or 96 Combine Warrior RG3. I got scammed of my 95 D'Angelo Hall mystery. So now, and the best things I have on my team right now is the Brian Skrine, Aqib Talib, Dontari Poe and Fletcher Cox, and Jale Hankins, Jonathan Hankins. Banks up here. Kikaha. I literally just picked him up an hour ago. That's why I have like no coins. I was at, I think I bought him for 15K. The stats are pretty good for 94. Let's see, he has 88 speed, 91 strength, 95 acceleration, 93 tackle, 88 press coverage. He has 92, a Reaper, and a 408 in the stream. We have BK, we have block shedding to 92, we have pursuits to 96, and we have zone coverage as a 74. Then we're going to check out his covering, and then I'm going to end off this video. He has 75 catching. What's his hit power? And I'm most likely going to have to end this. I want to get to my stream talking to him. 95. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Peace.